Having more RAMs mean more FPS? Let's find out. So today we are going to do a little bit of experiment. For that we have GTX 1050 Ti along with Core i9 9 Gen K processor, and for that we have RAMs. What are these? 8GB Corsair Vengeance Pro. We got 4 of them right here. That makes us total 32 gigs. Let's do. Let's try to install it. As you can see, we all yeah. So as you can see, we have installed the RAM perfectly. There you go. And let's try Need for Speed Heat first. We have fraps for FPS, and yeah. So its game is up and running. So it's good. We got 54 actually, and let's hit the road and the day night. Let's see what happens with the FPS. Yeah, it's 63. Oh yeah, it's going out. Okay.
Waiting. Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, we got not 60 locked yet. I know I'm a terrible driver. So far so good. We got 60. Yeah, like that. So we got 40 to 60 FPS with single 8GB stick, as you can see. Let's try with 16GB RAM with 2 of these. We installed 2 memory sticks. That makes us total 16 gigs, and we are ready to go. As you can see, we got 60 already and 40. Yeah. I'm never gonna get a GTR. Yeah. So far so good, and you can see the FPS. It's actually same, nothing happens. Yeah. Same. As you can remember, we got 40 to 60 FPS in when we are stopped at, and we got 58, 59, like that. So that's what happens with 16GB RAMs. Let's find out with 32 gigs. Yeah. So as you can see, we have installed 4 memory sticks, which makes us total 32 gigs. And we have our game up and loading, and we got 63 FPS so far. Let's go. Okay. So as you can see, we had the exact same FPS when we had 8GB and 16GB memory. And I think, what do you think? So you got your answer right. Having more RAMs mean more FPS? Nah. So we had the exact same FPS for 8GB and 16GB, finally 32GB. So having more RAM is only beneficial for editing stuff and doing some other stuff, not for gaming. It does support it, but for limited time. Yeah, if you want better FPS with better gaming, yeah, all you need is 16 gigs of RAM. I think it's better. Okay. So see you in the next video.